If you want to set up the system clone on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we have to search for Security and Privacy, and then in here we can go to the System Cloner. Now we need to tap on Get Started. We need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue. Then we can go Next, and we need to set up the password for the system clone. So in this case, I'm going to use a slightly different password. We need to enter it twice in order to confirm it. You can also use the fingerprint sensor. You can set up the fingerprint for the system clone if you want to. I'm just gonna skip that, and we can easily enter the system clone over here now. After that, we need to enter the system clone password, and there we go, we are on the home screen. And after a couple of seconds, we should also be redirected to the menu of the system clone. So let's see if it's going to actually pop up. There we go, set up your system clone. So if you tap on Go, then over here we can find a couple of different settings that you can go through. You can, for example, transfer data over here or clone apps, or you can just simply jump to the main system if you want to. We can go back to the main system by going to the app drawer. Over here we have the back to main menu option, so you can just tap over here. What you can also do is you can use the password on the lock screen. So if you open the lock screen and if you go to the password, depending what type of password you enter, if you enter the main system password or the system clone password, you will go to the corresponding system. So if I type now let me actually reopen it. If we enter the system clone password, I'm going to open the system clone, but if I enter the main lock screen password, then I'm going to go to the main system. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.